Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. Let's get kitchen. So we have some chicken breasts right here. Where I let them soak. Some white vinegar and lemon juice. Rinsed it real good. Pat it dry. So that's how we looking. We're about to go ahead and chop them up. We're gonna make some teriyaki chicken with some good vegetables added. So I hope y'all enjoy this video, and don't forget, hit that like button for me. A lot of my good family and friends ain't been hitting that like button. Appreciate you. Okay, so they all chopped up, little pieces. Now we'll go ahead and season it up. I'm using some chicken bouillon, garlic, and paprika. So that's what I'm using right here. We have 2.5 tablespoons chicken bouillon, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of paprika, ground paprika. There we go right there. Now we'll go ahead and mix it all together. Okay, so we have some vegetable oil. I love using my paprika. Smoke that, especially that smoked paprika. Yes, I rock with it. Somebody said something about my paprika one time. So I use too much paprika. Nah, I don't use enough paprika. I put paprika on everything. Also add some bell peppers and onion, mushrooms chopped up. So this is what we're using right here. So I have like a green and yellow bell pepper, red onion, mushroom, put the top on there and we'll let it cook. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and drain this juice out. Okay, so I have a lemon right here. Go ahead and squirt that lemon on there. You know it's not gonna taste like lemon. It's gonna be one delicious flavor. Everything will come together like it's supposed to. The lemon is optional. You know, you don't have to use it if you don't want. Now we have our teriyaki sauce. I have my oven preheated to 400. So if you throw this in the oven and let it get a nice color, so look on the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. It's gonna be ready to serve. There we go, right there. Okay, so here we go right here. So I put it in there for 20 minutes. And that's how we looking. Teriyaki chicken. Can't tell me that don't look good. That's that lemon teriyaki chicken. So now it's time to get some good food on a nice plate. So we can close this video. And don't forget, hit that like button. Hit that thumbs up for me. And please let this video play all the way through. I'll do the same for you. For real. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen in this good kitchen. Looking good, looking good. We got that teriyaki chicken. You know, it could be lemon teriyaki chicken or just regular teriyaki chicken with a twist. So, teriyaki chicken with a twist. Yeah, that sounds a little better than lemon teriyaki chicken. But this how we looking right here. We got the rice and roni, looking good. When I say this chicken is tender, yes, this chicken is real tender. Look. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Nice.
Chef hitting guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in the kitchen, I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, you my